Dear followers and viewers, welcome back to the training courses for the Ameen Accounting and Warehouse System. We will continue with this video on customer and supplier reports. Among these reports is the report, Customer Movement by Entries. This report can be requested if we need a report showing the payments received from customers or the payments made to suppliers in total, based on payment methods, cash, check, etc. Regardless of customer or supplier invoices, the report can be requested from the customer list and then the customer movement by entries, where you can choose a specific customer or supplier or the main account for customers or suppliers. You can specify the required period. You can also select a specific cost center if one exists. You can also specify the report sources. After selecting the required options, click the Preview button. You will notice the appearance of the names of the accounts, customers or suppliers, and then the issued vouchers according to the form, in total. It has also become known that you can click on the list of fields to show some additional fields available. Click on the File button to share, print, export the report to an X file, or export it to PDF format. Among the available reports, you can also request a customer movement by bills. This report can be considered as a statistical report on the number and value of invoices recorded for each customer or supplier. Select the required client or main account and specify the required period. You can change the account level to see the sub-accounts of the selected account if there are several sub-accounts within it. You can also specify the required report sources. For example, sales and sales returns. You can also activate the option to add discounts and additions to the value. You can also enable or disable the option to show empty type. You can also activate the Show Client Balance. It is very important to specify the options. The appropriate option must be selected according to the report sources that have been selected. In this case, we can choose Out Positive in Negative. This is to deduct the amount and value of sales returns from the sales in the total value, as we will notice. Then click the Preview button to view the report. We will notice in the report the appearance of the main account and the details of the sub-accounts according to the level that was selected. The number and value of invoices according to each type, and then the number of invoices and the total value according to the options you specify. Among the options available in the report is the option is Collect According Bills Type. This option can be selected if there is more than one type for sales or purchases, and we need to combine the total quantities and values according to each type without the need for type details. Note that when you deactivate the option to show empty types, the type will not appear in the report if there is no any invoice recorded of this type during the required period. Of course, the report can be requested for suppliers, specifying the report sources, purchases and purchase returns, changing the options, and choosing in positive, out negative. If there are a lot of types, you can take advantage of the feature of freeze fields in the report. This is done by right-clicking on the account column, then freeze the column to the left or to the right. You will notice that the column is frozen according to the option selected. Finally, I hope you liked the video and that it added more information to your knowledge of the Ameen software. Share it with your friends to spread the benefit.